In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages on an iPhone 11. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your iPhone, and you're going to see a lot of your conversations here. However, up in the top right corner, go ahead and select those three lines, and then from the menu here, go ahead and select Recently Deleted. In this section, you're going to see any messages that were deleted within the last 30 days. You can simply select the message that you want and recover them instantly. However, if the messages aren't showing here or it's been more than 30 days, you may still be able to recover them. So go ahead and go back to the main messages screen and exit out, and then open up your settings and select your name up in the top, and from here go ahead and scroll down and select iCloud. From here, go to the Save to iCloud section and open up Messages, and in this section you're going to want to make sure that Use on this iPhone is turned on. When this is enabled, your messages are going to be synced and stored in iCloud. Even if the messages are deleted from your phone, they may still be recoverable in your iCloud account. Essentially, open up any browser and go to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and check your messages there to see if the deleted texts are still available. That is it though. That is how you can retrieve deleted text messages here on an iPhone 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.